In this section, we're going to create a dashboard for customer service. I already prepared a file with some data, so we're going to verify the customer service of a company selling 10 products. And for these 10 products, the company decided a fixed price for each product, for each unit, and in the stock, they already have a certain quantities for each product. So I created this table, and here we have the product ID. So we give some IDs here, and I format this in this way: format cell, and here the hash sign. That means that we have a number. So if I type, for example, here, okay, I'm gonna format this one. I'm gonna type here okay. So we have these 10 products, and I create this table now. This is my master data. I can also do it in this way. These are the products, so I call it LST, okay, prods, okay, and this is LST prod ID. Okay, here we have okay. If you don't like this, you can also do the following. You can go to formulas, manage names. Here we have our names, and you can edit, change the name, change the reference. Okay, I'm going also to do the following. I'm going to select all, and I'm going to define a name. I'm going to home, format as table. I'm gonna select this table, okay, like this, and then I'm going to formulas, manage names, table 1. I'm gonna edit, and I say first of all, I'm going to do the following. This one has a value which comes from this area only, okay? So I'm going list, and the range is LST prod ID. Okay, I think it was, yeah, here we are, we have one of them. Home format here. Okay, we are going to, okay, this one is no fail. Okay, this way, and I'm gonna center. Product name, okay. Also, product name has a data validation. Data validation is also list is equal to LST prod. Okay, so okay, to do this, of course, I should use Visual Basic, for the moment I'm going to leave this. Okay, I should go to Visual Basic and check if this is this ID, then this should be the product automatically. Okay, we can also, yeah, I go to the developer ribbon, Visual Basic. Here I'm going to Data and select the worksheet, change. Okay, and not selection change. Okay, first of all I'm going to select this. I'm going down until the end. I call it here RNG. Then I have to save this as macro enable workbook. Okay, so here we are. Then I'm going to Visual Basic. G prod ID nothing, then and if so I explain this range. Okay, if this is different than nothing, so there is an intersection, so two negative. Okay, then I'm going to do the following: prod, I think it was prod, formulas, name manager, energy prods. So if there is an intersection in the prods, I say if div set if I'm going to do the following, if I'm going to change the value in the ID column. Okay, so basically I use like this. Target, so I replace here active cell with target, because active cell, when I change, will be the next cell. So I have to check the cell that I am going to change the value of, and going to create basically this. And then the target offset 0, 1 means that I'm going on the same row, offset is 0, and one column on the right, and I type this. I'm gonna type here, for example, even if the format is the same, I'm gonna type here 1, yeah, product 1. Okay, so here I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna drag this. Okay, we type on val, and so if I have a number, I'm gonna do this. Okay, otherwise I'm not doing this. So I'm going to cancel all this part, and I'm going to drag this as much as I can. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. If I'm going to change, I get for prod 5 here, 5 prod 9, this prod 9, etc. Okay, and I can continue to do like this, or use Visual Basic every time. So we decided to have this metadata. Now we're going to create this table, and we're going to basically populate it like this. We're going to input when this was done, and the waiting time, so how long was needed to sell it. Okay, and then we will do this in the next video. I will show you basically already a table we're gonna use, and we will do some data elaboration. Okay.